Wife killer Everton Beachy Stout McDonald and co-accused get life imprisonment for murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular Portland businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald and his co-convict Oscar Barnes were both sentenced to life imprisonment for the gruesome murder of Mr. McDonald's second wife, Tonya. The sentences were handed down by High Court Justice Chester Stamp in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston yesterday. A 7-member jury found the duo guilty of the charges on March 6, 2024. Prosecutors revealed that Tonya McDonald's brutal killing on July 20, 2020 was orchestrated by her husband, who contracted a man, Denverlin Minot, for $3 million. Both men were ordered to serve 28 years and 7 months before they are eligible for parole consideration relative to the murder conviction. Additionally, conspiracy conviction carries a sentence of 4 years and 6 months for McDonald and 6 years and 6 months for Barnes, which are to run concurrently. Mr. McDonald's legal woes are far from over, as he is to solely stand trial on April 13, 2026 for the murder of his first wife, Miss Marlene McDonald. Minot's confession exposed the sinister plot, stating that he subcontracted the murderer to be Barnes because he was unable to carry out the killing himself. He said it was Barnes who carried out the stabbing and burning of Tonya's body. Her Toyota Axia motor car was found ablaze along the Sherwood Forest Main Road in Portland. Minot previously pleaded guilty to his role in the murder and is currently serving a 20-year prison sentence. She was found with gunshot wounds outside her home in Brown Brook, Portland in May of 2009. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.